Hey there! A lot of people get confused when they hear the verb to catch up. I totally get it. I mean, to catch is only used for catching things, right? If an English-speaking friend invites you to catch up, it means they want to meet to talk about new things that have happened in their life or the lives of others since the last time you met up. To catch up can also mean to get up to speed with specific things like homework, class, or a TV show. I'm actually going to be meeting up with a friend this weekend to catch up. Although I probably shouldn't have, since I really need to catch up with my work. If you'd like to ask a friend to catch up, try saying something like this. Hey, haven't seen you in a while. Want to catch up? Want to get lunch this Sunday? I'd really like to catch up. Download Cake now for more English words and phrases.